Welcome to this tutorial on how to review and approve expense requests in the accounting module within the ERP system. In this guide, you'll learn how to open expense approvals, review a pending expense request, approve or reject the request, confirm the approval stage, and return to the approval queue. Let's get started. To begin, open the accounting module from the main menu. This is where expense approvals, payments, and other financial transactions are managed. Next, select Expense Approvals. This opens the approval page where pending expense requests are listed for review. From the Expense Approvals page, review the Pending Expense Summary. This section shows requests waiting for action, supervisor review, final approval, or posting. To review a specific request, click Review and Approve. This opens the full expense approval page, where you can check the request details before taking action. Now review the selected expense request. In this example, the expense is for office supplies expense, with the approval status showing that it is awaiting supervisor approval. Before approving, you can add a comment in the supervisor approval section. This is useful if you want to leave a note or provide context for the approval decision. If the expense should not be approved, use the rejection section instead. A rejection reason helps explain why the request is being sent back or declined. Once the expense details have been reviewed and everything is correct, click Approve at Supervisor stage. This approves the request at the supervisor level and moves it forward in the approval workflow. After approval, review the approval pipeline. The supervisor review and final admin stages now show as completed, and the request moves closer to being ready for posting. Next, click Back to Queue to return to the main approval list. This brings you back to the page where remaining expense requests can be reviewed. And that's a wrap on how to review and approve expense requests in the accounting module within the ERP system. You've just learned how to open expense approvals, review a pending expense request, add an approval comment, use the rejection option when needed, approve the supervisor stage, confirm the workflow status, and check that no pending actions remain. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.